The power of perseverance. Overcoming challenges and achieving success. Perseverance is a quality that fuels personal growth, resilience, and the ability to overcome obstacles. It is the steadfast commitment to pursuing goals and dreams despite setbacks and difficulties. In this video clip, we will explore the importance of perseverance in life, its impact on personal development, and the ways it can lead to success. By understanding and harnessing the power of perseverance, individuals can navigate challenges, achieve their aspirations, and unlock their full potential. 1. Overcoming challenges. Perseverance is essential when facing challenges and setbacks. Life is full of obstacles, both big and small, that can hinder progress and discourage individuals from pursuing their goals. Perseverance enables individuals to remain resilient, stay focused, and find creative solutions to overcome difficulties. It allows individuals to view challenges as opportunities for growth and to persist despite setbacks. 2. Building resilience. Perseverance plays a crucial role in building resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity. When faced with setbacks, individuals who possess perseverance do not give up easily. They view failures as learning experiences and use them as stepping stones towards future success. Resilience allows individuals to adapt to change, navigate uncertainty, and maintain a positive mindset in the face of adversity. 3. Achieving long-term goals. Perseverance is the driving force behind achieving long-term goals. Whether it is completing a degree, starting a business, or pursuing a passion, perseverance ensures that individuals stay committed to their objectives despite obstacles and setbacks. It involves setting realistic expectations, developing a plan, and consistently working towards the desired outcome. Perseverance helps individuals maintain focus, resist distractions, and overcome self-doubt, ultimately leading to the attainment of their goals. 4. Developing growth mindset. Perseverance is closely linked to the development of a growth mindset. The belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and practice. Individuals with a growth mindset view challenges as opportunities for growth and believe that their abilities can be developed over time. They embrace failures as learning experiences, seek feedback, and continuously improve. Perseverance fuels this mindset, enabling individuals to persist in the face of setbacks and view challenges as opportunities for growth. 5. Inspiring others. Perseverance is not only important for personal success but also for inspiring others. When individuals demonstrate perseverance in the face of challenges, they become role models for others. Their determination, resilience, and unwavering commitment inspire and motivate those around them. By showcasing the power of perseverance, individuals can positively impact others' lives and create a ripple effect of resilience and determination. 6. Cultivating self-discipline. Perseverance and self-discipline go hand in hand. Perseverance requires individuals to stay focused, disciplined, and consistent in their efforts. It involves making sacrifices, managing time effectively, and prioritizing tasks. Through perseverance, individuals develop the discipline necessary to stay on track, overcome distractions, and work towards their goals with unwavering dedication. Perseverance is a powerful quality that fuels personal growth, resilience, and success. It enables individuals to overcome challenges, build resilience, achieve long-term goals, develop a growth mindset, inspire others, and cultivate self-discipline. By embracing perseverance, individuals can navigate setbacks, stay committed to their aspirations, and ultimately unlock their full potentials in order to achieve great success in their future.